Yeah, everything is clear, guys.
Yes, Ravi, clear.
Okay, so now our project is created, right? Our project is created. Okay, good. So open the property. Let's check, paste it. Okay. So Eureka. Eureka. Eureka client. Eureka client. Why this service you are? Server URL is there, right?
Yes, service URL is there.
Service URL is there, but why default time zone is not there, right? Dot default zone. Default zone, right? But here the thing is good, going good, right? Okay, good, no issue. So local
Yes,
host,
no error there.
yeah, no error is there, right? So http
Correct, correct.
http colon slash slash
Local host
local host or open this
8761.
or do one things, right? Just do, but the time zone is giving has map, right? So okay, let's open this one. Okay, set a service URL. Okay, set service URL. So just I'm opening the declaration. I want to see that service URL, right? See this default URL, this one, right? Default, just copy this one and
Yes.
default prefix URL, right? Eureka. Now copy this one and paste it here. Slash Eureka. Good. Okay, good. Clear, guys. Clear, right? Come on. Be serious about this one now, guys. It's working perfect. We changed the version, right? We changed the version, and now see this. This property is working because in the previous version here, the red mark is showing now. Means error was showing, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, good. So after then what? Now this property, right? So what I'm doing now, just understand, guys. Okay, just understand. Be based on this one, right? Until unless if we are not making, until unless if we are not making it true, then in what? In Eureka discovery server, right? In the discovery server, in the Eureka server, what is that? Our microservices project instance will not create. Instance will not create. Come on, or create. In explanation I given, right?
Yes, Ravi.
True, right? We need to make this property explicitly. This property as a true. Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Be active yourself, guys. Here need the response because I already covered these things. Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
Active,
Yes, yes.
active yourself. Only Satish is giving the response. Active yourself, guys. Only Satish is giving the response. Why? What about others?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, good. So now, so good. So Eureka server registry is there, right? Eureka server means what? Here, why we are making the false, right? We will make this one as a false. Why we are making? Because in the at the time of creating, right? At the time of creating the parent project, we made this one as what? By default this one is a true na. Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Yes.
Okay, good. So just make this one as what? Here now we will see that what, make this one as what? False. Make this one as what? False. Okay, good. So after then what we will do it now, guys? I will show both possibility, guys. Okay, I will make both possibility. False. Make this one as what? False. And here also make this one as what? Make this one as what? False. Make this one also as a false, right? Clear? Okay,
yes,
so
Ravi.
okay, so
Yes,
now, so but here for the by default that is a true only, right? So I'm commenting here. Let's comment it. What is the use, right? What is the use? But we can write this property in the microservices also, right? So now copy this one, copy this property. Step number 2. Step number 2 in the task second, right? In the task second, step number 2, we need to declare this property inside that property, right? Property. Okay, good. So now let's what? Step number step number 3. Step number 3 at what is that? At main method, right? Main method class. At main method class, right? What is that? Enable what? Enable Eureka client.
Eureka
In this time
client.
we will write what? This annotation. In this time what? We will write the this
Yes, Ravi.
annotation. Where we will write it now? In the microservices project. Open that,
Main method.
open main method, open main method. Now here what we will write it now? At the rate enable, at the rate enable
Enable Eureka
Eureka,
client.
at the rate enable Eureka client, right? There in the discovery project, right? In the parent discovery project, what we will write now in the main method? Enable Eureka server. But in the microservices project,
Server.
what
Yes,
we will
Ravi.
write? In the microservices project, what we will write
Eureka
now?
client.
Eureka client. Clear?
Enable
Means
Eureka client.
client. Yes, Ravi.
Yes. So okay, so now step number 4. Step number what? Step number 4. Step number 4, run your search application. What is that? Run what is that? Run your search application. Run your search application, right? So let's run it. Let's run this application. Now first, what is that? Stop all the application, right? Now run as what? Spring Boot application. Run Spring Boot application, right? So now this application is running. Now come inside that what? Eureka server. Go inside that what? Select this main method. Now run this one also. Run this one also. Now run this one also. And what? Go to Eureka dashboard. Now how we will go it now? Now just I'm opening. This is the URL now. Copy this one. Just I'm opening new tab. Now hit this URL. Now hit this URL. See this Eureka server is came, Eureka dashboard is came, right?
Yes, Ravi came.
Yes, yes.
But there is no instance, right? But there is a no instance here. There is no
No
instance.
instance.
1 minute.
Because we put false instead of true.
Yes. So here
Correct.
now here we commented, right? We commented this one is what? By default false, but open this property also. This one also false, right? This one also false. So just make this one as what? Just make this one as what? True. Just make this one as what? True. Just make this one as what? True, right? And this one also what? True. Okay, good. Okay, so now stop it. Stop both application, right? Yeah. So again, what we will do it now? What we will do it now? Come in the search application. Now start it again. Run this application. Now open this one, right? Now right click, run this one. Okay, just refresh it. Hey, still is not coming. Still, why this one is not coming now? No instances. This one even we made true, right? This one we made true. Okay, this is the true properties. Which project?
So Ravi, actually you have
Search
hello.
application, right? Yes, yes.
Actually, you have written Eureka after port number 8761/Eureka. So
Sorry.
on line number 6, Ravi, you have written 8761/Eureka. So why
Yeah,
did
yeah.
you have
We
written
will give the
Eureka?
discovery port number here. Then it will instantiate, right? Then this instance will view on what this board because of that.
Created.
Yeah, that is correct.
Yes. No, no, no. Actually, you have written Eureka after port number. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, that's a prefix also we need to give, right? Prefix also we
Okay.
need to. Was 1 minute. I will open it. 1 minute. See this. See this here. What prefix? Prefix we need to give. 1 minute. I'm opening the API.
Okay. Yeah.
See this here. What default URL is? This is right. And what is that? Default prefix also we need to give,
Yes,
right?
Ravi.
See this here. We default
Yes, Ravi. So
prefix.
we can, yeah.
We need to
So
give
we
the
can
prefix.
write, yeah. So we can write any, right?
Sorry.
So we can write after default prefix.
Yeah, prefix
Means
also.
we can write.
Anything you can write, but I wrote what is that? Eureka.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah. Yeah.
what
That's
he's saying is that you should add Eureka on your browser after the port number.
Here.
Yeah, he wants you to add Eureka after
1 minute.
8761,
1 minute.
but I'm not too sure if that's the right thing to do.
Let's remove it, right? Yeah. Or Eureka server. Let's first run the Eureka server. Now I'm running it. Now again run this one. No instance is available. Why? 1 minute.
Ravi, can you close the browser and can you open once again and
Sorry?
that you can run?
Which one?
Can you close the browser and can you open once again and
Yeah. Okay.
run the
Yes, I will do that. So which one you are saying, that total like STS ID I need to close and open it, or just
No,
project?
only Chrome browser.
No, no, only Chrome browser
Only
only.
Chrome browser.
Okay.
Maybe caching problem coming.
Yeah, yes, but unknown, right? Oh, good. It's created, guys. Yeah, very nice. Actually, I see this, but the unknown name, na, we will add one property, right? So just open this one. Don't worry about that. But one instance is created, right? See, one instance
Yes,
is
sir.
created. One instance is created, right? So now if you want to give this instance name, so come here, come inside this what? Come inside this our what? Project property. So we will increase one property, guys, here. Okay. So we will increase one. What is that property name? Is spring dot what? Application. Application. Application name, right? Here what we will give now? Search let's give search application, right? Search app. Give the property name is what? Give the property name is what? Search app. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Search app. Yeah. Now stop it, guys. Okay, again one more time, stop your application now. In this time, yeah, last time also, see, there is no problem in our development, but the cache problem we are getting, right? Cache problem, right? So because of that, our what? Instance is not running.
Yes, Ravi.
So now what I'm doing now, run our what? Eureka server, run our Eureka server, run our Eureka server. Now still our microservices project is not running, guys. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm refreshing now. I'm refreshing our index board. So there is no instance na, no instance. Observe it here, no instance na, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi. No instance.
No instance, right? So again, what I'm going to do now, let's run our microservices application. Now this is the microservices application. Now I'm running this one. Now come here and just refresh our Eureka dashboard. See this? Observe this one now, guys. Observe this one. One
Yes, Ravi.
instance is running now.
Yes.
What is the
Activated.
name? What is the project name? Search application. Come on.
Search APP.
Search, right?
Yes,
Search
Ravi.
application is running right now. Means what? Server is up or not, guys? See, status is what? Status UP. UP means what? Up now.
Up. Yes, Ravi.
And
Yes.
what is the port number now? What is this microservices port number we took, guys? 9999 now. Come on, yeah.
9999. Yes, Ravi.
Right?
Yes.
Come on. Whenever you
Correct,
will,
Ravi. Correct. Yes.
right? If microservices is there, because still we are not given any implementation, because of that we are getting this page, right? Whenever we are clicking on that. But this is the one in Dex board. On the one in this Dex board, right? We are getting one instance or not. Means what? One microservices is running or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. One microservice is running.
Okay, good. So we will add this property now. Add this one also now. Add this one also. This one is giving the project name here, right? So here give one more property. So just do it, guys. Okay, just till now, whatever things I completed, right? Just do the practical one time, right? Just do the practical one time, and then we will continue our session in next weekend, right? Anyone having any doubt till now in the session, guys?
So Ravi, you have make it true, right?
Because
In
we
cloud application. So now
until
what you run?
see, until unless if we not make this one as a true, right? If we not make this one as a true, then what will happen
Yes, yes.
in the Eureka server?
Yes, Ravi, got your point.
Instance will not create, instance will not create. Let's make it a false, right? I'm making this one as what? False. This one also I'm making the false. This one also I'm making the
Yes.
false. Okay, so again what I'm doing now, again I'm stopping the server. So here see this, in this time I made the false na, here the instance is created na in the Eureka server.
Yes.
Okay, now observe it, now
Yes, Ravi.
observe it. So here the Eureka server, now I'm running the Eureka server again. Now our Eureka server is up. Now I'm running our what? Microservices server. Now this application also running now. Both one is running now. Just what I'm doing now, just I'm refreshing now. Observe it. Observe it.
Okay.
See, there
Yes.
is no instance. There is a no instance.
Yes,
Come on.
Ravi.
More
Correct,
discussion.
Ravi,
So
correct.
many discussion
Yes,
is there. We
so
will.
actually in
Yes, Satish.
yes, yeah, and actually in server application, make it for we have made it to false, right? In
We will
server,
make.
but in microservices, in we have it to be true.
But still the discussion is left. What I said that we took what is that in microservices true na, and but the see
True,
still
correct, correct.
this key right, this property I took in the microservices. In the next weekend we will place this.
Yes.
Already we placed, right? But some little bit modification need. First I will explain that
Sure,
one, then I will place this key, and we will remove from the this microservices this property, right? So that so many discussion is there, but I don't
Yes,
want to
correct.
make the session lengthy, right? So because until unless if you guys are not reading these things, okay, so then the next level discussion will not understand. Just read this document. I will post this document on our what
Okay,
Facebook group, guys. Based on that our
Sure, Ravi, sure.
documentation, practice it, because see this how much I made the session easy, guys. Okay, I tried my level best to make the session easy. I'm not delivering the subject. Okay, some people are saying that our session is like what Rajmouli's movie. Rajmouli movie is what? First he is creating the suspense, and after ending that, what is the use? In the study there is no suspense, right? If the thing is clear, then people will understand clearly.
Yes, Ravi. Okay, Ravi. No issue. No issue. Okay.
So just do one time practical, guys, and we will continue our session in next weekend. Clear? I
Clear,
Yes,
hope
Ravi.
Ravi.
Yeah. Thanks, Ravi. Thanks.
I hope I delivered the good subject to you people in today's session, right?
Yes, Ravi. Yes. Yes. Thank you, Ravi. Yeah, really.
Yeah. So okay, guys. So let's meet next weekend. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye, Ravi.
Bye.
Yes, Ravi. Bye, Ravi. Bye, team.
I will post this document on what our YouTube, Facebook group, guys. Download it and read one time and do the practical, and come to next session, right?
Okay, Ravi. Sure, Ravi. Yeah.
Okay. Bye bye. Bye, guys.